Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my favorite go-to winter makeup look for February. Now it is cold, dreary, and freezing outside, so I'm so excited to warm it up with a beautiful Huda Beauty Nudes palette. You guys have seen me use this palette so many times, but it has some delicious rosy pinks, some plum purples, and some glittery golds that we are going to do today to brighten up our look, brighten up our mood, and brighten up our face. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we go. This is the new Nudes palette by Huda Beauty. Isn't she pretty? She's got some gorgeous sparkly shades. I'm taking the EF1 brush by Makeup by Mario and the Soft Ochre Primer by MAC. This is the best base for your eyelids when you're applying eyeshadow. So I'm applying that all over my lid. And by the way, I have eyeliner permanently tattooed to my eyes. I'm just working around that, covering it up, because at the end I'm gonna go in with a liquid black eyeliner as well. I find having my eyeliner permanently tattooed makes it so much easier to do my winged liner after complete my makeup, just because I already have the outline. If you wanna see a video on my experience getting my eyeliner permanently tattooed, then check it out. I'll link it below as well. Using these Grace and Stella eye patches to hydrate underneath my eyes. At the same time, I'm using them as a shield for any kind of eyeshadow fallout. And by the time I'm done my eyeshadow, my under eyes are so much more plump and I look so much more awake. Again, taking that EF1 brush, I'm gonna grab the color Tickle and apply that to my crease, just all over, focusing on the outer portion of my eye and working it into my crease. You can build it up as much as you like. These colors are so pigmented and beautiful. I also love these dual-ended makeup brushes by Makeup by Mario. This EF1 brush is amazing. You can do all your eyeshadow looks with this brush. It's so easy to just flip back and forth. And I'm just really building up that color there. Now I'm taking a blending brush and with nothing on it and just kind of diffusing that at the top so there's no harsh lines. Taking this blending brush by Morphe, and I'm gonna grab Love Bite and Spanked and mix the two of those together to really apply to the outer eyelid and working that into my crease with whatever's left on the brush. Again, using that same blending brush with nothing on it and just diffusing it once again for a nice seamless look. Now taking this 202 brush by BK Beauty, I'm gonna do under my eyes, Love Bite and Spanked. Taking the gorgeous glittery iridescent shade Crave with my finger and applying that to the center of my lid. I find using my finger when I'm putting glitter on my eyelid works so much better than a brush. Do you guys think it works better? I do. Again, taking that brush with nothing on it and diffusing, taking a pencil brush and grabbing Bare, this nice white shade here, and gonna apply that to my inner corner of my eye, really open up that eyelid. And now I'm just finishing up my other eye. Taking my favorite setting spray by On Till Dawn. This is a one size setting spray and holy moly, this is the best setting spray ever. So I like to do setting spray several times throughout my makeup look to really lock in the look. Now I'm going in with this e.l.f. primer. This is the Best Grip Primer. I love that it's not sticky, it's hydrating. Okay, moving on to Huda Beauty. This is Easy Blur, and I'm taking this sponge that I got from the drugstore. I will also link it below. It is insane. It was like $7. And it doesn't absorb like 90% of your foundation. It applied my foundation like butter. And again, I will link it below. I'm also doing a favorite drugstore dupes makeup video, so stay tuned for that one. That'll come out in the next week. Taking this Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Marshmallow to really brighten up underneath my eyes, and wow, does this ever work. Again, taking the same beauty blender. It has like the creases on the side, so you can really get into your inner eye corner there. And applying that to my nose, my lips, and really blending that in. Taking this Makeup by Mario blending stick in a bronze stick. This is in shade Medium. And applying it to my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline. I'm going to use the brush that comes with this bronzing stick and just really stamp it in. You really do have to work with it. You'll see that I go over my forehead one more time with it. Now I'm taking this Unreal Blush Healthy Glow Stick by Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Pinky Glow. It is so beautiful. I know it looks intimidating at first because it's so bright and pink and neon looking, but I just apply that to around my eyes in just a C motion and really blend that in, and it looks so cute, so girly, so glam. Taking this Makeup by Mario setting powder with a Sephora poof and just going to set my under eyes. Now I wait a few minutes before I brush it off. I find this just locks in my look all day. Taking this Huda bronzer, this is in the shade Medium, and using that same Makeup by Mario brush and just bronzing all over where we did with the Makeup by Mario cream foundation stick. Now I'm taking this Rare Beauty contour brush, taking that same Hoola bronzer and gonna do my nose. I find this is the best brush for doing your nose contour. Taking this Dolce Pink shade in the Milani blush and applying that all over my cheeks and across my nose. Kind of like a snowboarding mask. You want to just apply it all over your cheeks and your nose. Taking this Makeup by Mario lip pencil in the Burnt Sienna shade, one of my favorites, and just applying that underneath my lips to give it the illusion of bigger, fuller lips. I'm gonna fill that in with a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Myth. Feel like it makes a really nice ombre style lip. Now just applying a nude MAC lip gloss color all over my lips. Gonna curl my lashes with this Tweezer Man eyelash curler. It is great. It's from the drugstore. You can also get it on Amazon, and I find it works the best. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. It is such a good pointed tip and it is so perfect for doing your eyeliner. I like to wipe off any excess on a Kleenex before I apply it to my lids, just so I don't get that, you know, smudge. And again, because my eyeliner is already tattooed, it's super easy for me to just trace, follow along the line there to give myself a seamless wing. Gonna take that setting spray again and lock in my eyeliner. Taking this beautiful plum shade by Annabelle and just doing my waterline. It's a nice plum purple. Taking this Dior mascara. This is the first time I used this mascara and I thought it was really good. My favorite is still the Gucci, but this is definitely a second runner-up. Now I'm taking these glueless press-on lashes by Kiss. I find they are so easy to apply because they go underneath your lashes. And once again, locking in my look with that one size setting spray. And ta-da, we are done. That's my gorgeous Valentine's Day look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Definitely check out my other makeup hauls and tutorials in these videos here.